Lesson number 120, volume of a cylinder. We're there. This is the last lesson in our textbook. Now, our first question, and our only question for this lesson, says, find the volume of the cylinder below. The height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters and the diameter is 20 centimeters. So if the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeters, we can write that out. And the diameter of the cylinder is going to be 20 centimeters. We could go ahead and we could draw that out. We know the diameter is the distance across the circle through the center. So diameter, we're going to call it D, is equal to 20 centimeters. Well, in order to figure out the volume of a cylinder, you always use the same formula. And the formula that you use is this. The volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the base times the height. Now this is a very nice formula because we already know the height. So the volume, we're going to call that V. The volume V is going to be equal to the area of the base. We need to figure that out. And we're going to multiply that times the height. And the height here is 10 centimeters. So we've already got a half of our calculation complete. In order to figure out the area of the base, well, the area of a circle is equal to pi times the radius squared. So pi must be 3.14. Our radius is half of our diameter, so it must be 3.14 times 10 squared. We've got to do exponents first, so 10 squared, that's 100. And we're going to multiply 3.14 by 100 to find our area. Well, multiplying by a power of 10, that's nice because we just moved the decimal over to the right. And we move it over to the right 2 times because there's 2 zeros. So we're going to get 3.14 times 100 is 314. Now the volume, how many cubic centimeters could fit within our cylinder? The area of the base is 314, and that would have to be square centimeters. So again, we're multiplying by a power of 10. We're going to have to move the decimal 1 to the right. So originally 314 would be 314.0. We move the decimal over 1 to the right because we're multiplying so it gets bigger. And our answer becomes 3,140. We've got square centimeters times centimeters. That's like centimeters to the first. So when we add those powers together, we're going to get centimeters to the third. Or we could say 3,140 cubic centimeters. The key thing here is this volume of a cylinder formula. The volume of a cylinder is always equal to the area of the base times the height. Make sure you get that in your notes, because we're going to continue practicing that as we move on to our pre-algebra textbook. Our lesson practice will be on page 648. Make sure you've got your notes completed, and I'll see you during our next class.